I live in the UK, 1971 project. So I've put the blooming bonnet back on now, but I'm just going to quickly talk you through what I've done. So I've removed the bonnets, lost one of the bolts. I've stripped all this area back. There was just 3 small holes, and I was going to weld them, and I just thought, you know, all that effort and weld splash will literally get everywhere, all in the electrics, all up here. I just thought I'll just put some chemical metal, because it's literally just 3 holes. I do like to weld everything, so then that's enabled me to strip these areas back, which were actually very rusty, but once I got past the surface rust, is good metal, it's proper metal. So I'm gonna tomorrow just fill these little areas with a thin layer of filler, and then just try and shape them by sanding them by hand, and then need to paint this. Then I can get the bonnet back on. Obviously I've still got to sand this. Also, whilst the bonnet was off, I stripped it back of any inner rust, and which you can't see, so it was actually looked really bad, but then it was okay once I stripped it. So I've just cure rusted this lower section and this area. I did go over it with a grinder, and yeah, I mean, it's fine, it's rock solid. There's a hole to do there, that corner section, that bit, the rest is fine. There we have a tiny hole there. So, but the floor and the heater channels, if you look, these heater channels are bloody good. I think they've been replaced, they're too good. That one's rock hard, and the floors are all brilliant, and Napoleon's hat is really good. So the thing I am waiting on is the brake master cylinder, which I have ordered one, and actually once the brake master cylinder is on the car, oh yeah, that's the other thing, I've got all the lights working. Let's show you. So blinkers, in the end it was literally dirty connections, and see, and then we'll do the indicators. Let's just do the indicators quickly. Turn that off. Yeah, flashing away. It's taken me like a week to suss these. Flashing away. I can't see that one. And then this side, flashing away. See that? And then flashing away. Then we've got the side lights. Let's just see if they've come on the front, because they weren't on earlier. Yes, side lights. And then we will go for headlights, but I know that one of the headlights, low beam or high beam, isn't working. So yeah, you can't really tell. And then the other bit was, we've got the horn and the washers, and all the lights are working in the dash, and when you start it, goes out. Good. Sounds lovely. What do you reckon? Even I'm impressed. I did do the timing was out. The previous guy had set it at top dead centre. So the whole car is dirty, and there's loads of sanding to be done. So that's it. Time to pack it away. Louis in the UK, still in lockdown, approaching Christmas in November 2020. So that's it. My crazy project, 1971.